Let's break down each example to understand the usage of the different English grammar tenses. 1. Present simple tense. Example: I eat lunch at 12 every day. Explanation: the present simple tense is used for general truths and habits. In this case, it describes a routine or habit of eating lunch at a specific time every day. 2. Present continuous tense. Example: I am reading a book right now. Explanation: the present continuous tense is used for actions happening around the present time. The speaker is actively engaged in reading a book at the moment of speaking. 3. Present perfect tense. Example: I have visited Paris twice. Explanation: the present perfect tense connects the past with the present. It indicates that the action of visiting Paris has occurred at some indefinite time before now, and the speaker is mentioning this as part of their life experience. 4. Present perfect continuous tense. Example: I have been studying English for 3 years. Explanation: the present perfect continuous tense emphasizes the duration of an ongoing action that started in the past and continues into the present. The speaker has been studying English for the past 3 years. 5. Past simple tense. Example: she finished her homework last night. Explanation: the past simple tense is used for completed actions in the past. Here, it describes the completion of homework the previous night. 6. Past continuous. Example: at 3 p.m. yesterday, I was working on my project. Explanation: the past continuous tense is used for actions that were ongoing at a specific point in the past. At 3 p.m. yesterday, the speaker was actively working on a project. 7. Past perfect tense. Example: before I arrived, they had already left. Explanation: the past perfect tense is used to show the order of past events. It indicates that the action of leaving occurred before the speaker arrived. 8. Past perfect continuous tense. Example: I was tired because I had been running for an hour. Explanation: the past perfect continuous tense emphasizes the duration of an action that started and continued up to a certain point in the past. The speaker had been running for an hour before feeling tired. 9. Future simple tense. Example: I will call you tomorrow. Explanation: the future simple tense is used for predictions, promises, or spontaneous decisions about the future. The speaker expresses the intention to call tomorrow. 10. Future continuous tense. Example: this time next week, I will be traveling. Explanation: the future continuous tense is used for actions that will be ongoing at a specific point in the future. The speaker anticipates being in the process of traveling this time next week. 11. Future perfect tense. Example: by the end of the year, I will have completed my degree. Explanation: the future perfect tense is used to show the completion of an action before a specific future time. The speaker projects the completion of their degree by the end of the year. 12. Future perfect continuous tense. Example: in 5 years, I will have been working here for a decade. Explanation: the future perfect continuous tense emphasizes the duration of an action that will continue up to a certain point in the future. The speaker anticipates having worked at the same place for a decade in 5 years.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.